Truck spotting is December 8th. Photon container truck. Angeuzu elf container truck. Sinotruck, hollow bulker trailer truck. Daft bulker trailer truck. Shaman dump truck. Convoy, hollow dump truck.
Pagka nilagyan mo ng pulbo yung kikinis lalo eh.
Angeuzu giga dump truck.
Prado kong bus na to kalaki-laki eh. Natatlo pa.
Angeuzu elf container truck. Sinotruck, hollow bulker trailer truck. Jack tanker trailer truck. Man bulker trailer truck. Situm bulker trailer truck. Angeuzu elf container truck. How flat truck. Angeuzu Jago wing van. Sinotruck hollow dump truck. Angeuzu Jago wing van. Angeuzu Jago San Miguel beer trailer truck. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.